hope you guys enjoyed the point of view footage. If you want to see more of the point of view footage, make sure you hit the like button and just tell me in the comments, do you want to see more point of view driving? Because I can easily do that, that's no problem. You're probably wondering about the title of this video. Why do I need to sell my Audi TT? I kind of never thought I'd be doing this, because I thought I was just going to keep this car because I didn't think that it, well, I never thought, I thought I was just always going to keep this car, but my driveway is not big enough to add another car to. I am, unfortunately, for the TT guys, looking at another little project. That's if I sell the Audi TT. Now, I will be putting it up for sale on eBay. The link to the eBay listing will be in the description. Oh, this is, I feel like I'm cheating on her. It's been such a good car, and also I didn't expect it to have such a big reaction on YouTube. The TT community have been really good. I hope that you TT subscribers will stay subscribed to the channel. It's not definitely gone yet. It's not, who knows? I mean, I don't know how many people would actually want a camouflage TT, but we'll soon find out. If you're watching this video and you may be looking at buying this Audi TT, maybe you found it from eBay or you watch my videos regularly, you would obviously know that everything that we've done to the car is in the top right hand corner. It's on a full playlist, but the car has been full camouflage wrap. So if you do want to buy the car, I wouldn't advise unwrapping it, because underneath here, we obviously have a white wing under here, a silver door, but this has been sprayed black and the whole car has been sprayed black underneath. It's just you've got a white wing and a silver door. So if you do unwrap it, then just bear that in mind. There's a few little imperfections around the car. I will just sort of show you the sort of imperfections wise, because it's not 100% perfect. Obviously you guys know that this car did actually get written off and categorized, but you know the extent of the damage because we fixed it. So around this grille, there's a little breakage here in the grille. There's a few sort of imperfections in the wrap. Just like round the door here, you can see a little bit bits of creases. There's a few little creases in here, as you can see. Nothing too major, but like I'm hopefully, whoever buys this car is hopefully a car enthusiast like myself and is willing to just put the effort in and keep this TT thing going, because it is a good car, drives fine. I would literally keep this car. I just want to keep the YouTube content moving forward, and I'm just running out of things to do to this unless we start spending serious money, and I'd rather do that on a car which is going to sort of hold its value, if that makes sense. So obviously moving on to the rear, we've got the S-Line bumper and the S-Line diffuser. Oh yeah, also the bumpers are, I think that bumper's blue and the front bumper's blue as well. I'm not too sure, I can't remember, but I know the bumpers are a different colour. Got 19-inch alloys, all the tyres are okay on these. Inside, obviously we didn't really do much interior mods. I have changed the roof lining back to its standard black. We've got the head unit which is installed, which all works fine. Now I'm about to take the photos for the eBay listing, so guys, if you are watching this, also as well, just make me an offer on the car. If you guys are seeing this video, just make me an offer on the car. It's got 121,000 miles on it now, but obviously you guys know that I've serviced it. I do service it regularly. Even Hannah's done oil changes on it. If you've not seen that video, click in the top right hand corner. Let's pop the bonnet. So underneath here we've got the Ram Air induction kit. Whilst this is open, you can see the white wing that's there. So let's just take some photos now for the eBay. So guys, the pictures have been taken. I've got to do the eBay listing. I literally feel so bad for this, because I really wish I could keep it. Put in the comments box below what car you think I should what car you think I should buy, or maybe even guess what the car I think I've got my mind set on in the comments box below. I'm really looking forward to making new content with potentially the new car. If the TT doesn't sell, or it doesn't sell for the money I want to sell it for, then we will be keeping it. I'm not in a rush to sell it. It's been a great car. It's literally, it goes everywhere. I drive it literally everywhere, every single day, and it's been amazing for the YouTube. And all you TT guys have been great. Even the subscribers and viewers who don't have a TT who are watching now, respect to all you guys. Make sure if you haven't clicked subscribe, you click the subscribe button now. But guys, let's see what happens with this TT. Maybe I'll have it in the future, maybe I won't. But we'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.